Are you videotaping this? Yes. Uh-oh. Oh, something leaking.
Just don't worry about it.
It's stuck.
What's the matter?
It ain't coming off.
Strip. It's coming off.
Oh my God. No, it ain't stripped. It came off. Oh, it is. And there's a case. That's gonna come off.
Now, what are you taking off here?
Taking this
Timing chain cover off, right?
timing chain cover.
Okay. That's their timing chain cover. And you can't you have to take the snubbers off then. Oh wait, this you won't get off until the oil pan's off.
Okay.
Yep, you got it.
You can get that off here.
You won't be able to get the chain off until we take the oil pan off. So that's it for now. We got to pull the head though. We're going to take this part off now. So we can get the head off.
And then do the oil pan.
Yep. So that's it for now.